Yes, right now I am in the Chow, the food court. This is just of the city mall. Do you know Aeon City Mall? Just near to the behind. I think the city mall behind Aeon. There got a food street or food like food stars and food street in Chow. It's the Malay food street. This I am seeing first time in the night. Very active. You know, it's in Chow. This is very happening in the night. This is the Malay food street area. I just going to walk from here to the end of the food street, so you will get an idea how it is going on right now here. This is the Malay food street. I didn't see any Indian or Chinese or any other restaurant or food stalls here. It's all about Malay one, Malay food street in Chow area. See, there you can see the sunlight, JKG. So you will get married. It is just closer to these all places. It's very close to Aeon Mall also in Chow. So how is it here? It's very happening here in the food street in Chow. Oh, lot of people. It's awesome. Yeah. Now we just get out from the food street here. So I will take a turn to the main road maybe. See the sun life. From the sun life just opposite it, you can see here a Pusat service. That is going to be the food street, Malay food street in Chow. This is we can see the view of the city mall. Just behind of the city mall, I think. So here there is a nice view of the KL Tower as well. Oh, not bad. Very nice. Oh, there got the monorail is going there. I just saw the monorail is going over there. Let's go and check it out. If it is near to monorail, then just get down at the monorail station. Just walking to this place, it is easier, right? So I just go and see where is the monorail station. Very closer to this place, because I saw the monorail is going on the flyover that side. Let's go and check it out. And there I can see CIMB Bank. CIMB Bank there, and the monorail is going over that side. This is the monorail bridge. Excuse me, which is the monorail station here?
Huh?
Monorail.
Or
This side.
you say
Name.
you go straight only.
Huh?
You go straight only.
That side, huh?
That's it.
Easy. Just easy, huh?
Just
2
stay
minutes.
only,
2
stay
minutes.
only.
Okay, thank you. So she said to me it is just walking distance from here, From here I take the left, so it is very closer to the LRT. Sorry, not LRT, monorail station. So it's a huge bridge, you know. It's a junction here, and oh my god, very well designed here. See, right now you can see behind me the sunlight, the AKG, all that side. So I just keep walking to find out the monorail station nearby. So if we find out the monorail station, then next time it is easy to get over at the monorail station and just walking to this full street is very easier. Oh my god, this monorail station is going like this, and I don't know where it is going to stop. In the way we can see so nice beautiful restaurants here also. Well decorated, the open air and with the gardening, very nice. The music plays there. Yeah. See, this all are on the way through the monorail station. I can see quite open air restaurants are here, and we are just closer to the monorail station. This is all the open air restaurants over here, which is, and that side I can see one Maybank. Oh, here it is the monorail. Looks like, which is the, oh, this monorail station name is Jalan, something starting with Jalan. What is that? I just go somewhere closer, then I will know what is that. Jalan Tanku. Jalan Tuanku. Oh, this is the Jalan Tuanku.